Under your chin. Let's get under. Yay. This isn't so bad. And we just had a big poop in the towel right before we got in.
Hi, Stella. Hi.
Wanna see, Dad? Oh, I want to chew on the washcloth. Good girl. You're doing so well.